Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 4.2 till question number first we have done yesterday, and second questions first one is also we have done. Now second one of this question number second, write four solution for each of the following equation. So there is a different term pi is there, so I am going to explain this question. Okay, so there is the equation pi x plus y equal to 9. So two variables are x and y. Okay, and non-variable or constant term is pi and 9. Okay, now we have to find the four different solution now, because there is right four solution for each of the following equations. So we have to write four different solution of this equation. So first of all, we were taking, let x equal to 0 then if we putting x equal to 0 in above equation, then what will be the value of this equation is pi multiply by 0 plus y equal to 9. That means pi into 0 equal to 0 plus y equal to 9. So value of y equal to 9. Okay, so I am making a table there for the solutions. We can write the solution table of this table. X and y is there, and we have to find four solutions. So first, second, third and fourth. So firstly we have taken x equal to 0, then what will you get? Y equal to 9. Now take or let x equal to 1. Then if we are taking x equal to 1, then what will you getting? Pi into 1 plus y equal to 9. So value of y, that means pi into 1 that equal to pi plus y equal to 9, implies that y equal to 9 minus pi, because pi is adding there. If we transpose it into left hand side to right hand side, it will be subtract. So value of x equal to 1, then y is 9 minus pi. Okay, now let x equal to 2. Then if we are taking x equal to 2, then what will we get? Pi into 2 plus y equal to 9. We are putting all this value in this equation now. So 2 pi plus y equal to 9. So value of y equal to 9 minus, if we transpose this 2 pi at that side, then will we get 2 pi. That means 9 minus 2 pi. So if we are taking x equal to 2, then value of y is 9 minus 2 pi. Again we are taking, let x equal to 3. Then if we are taking x equal to 3, then value of y which we have to find, therefore pi into 3 plus y equal to 9. So value of y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. We transpose this 3 pi that side, so value of y is 9 minus 3 pi. So value of y, when we are taking x equal to 3, then y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. Okay, so these are the four solutions of your question. Similarly you can do question number third. Okay, now I'm going to do question number third. In this question we have to check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y plus equal to 4. Okay, so given equation is, what is the given equation? X minus 2y equal to 4. Take it as equation number first. Now what we have to check in question number first, 0 2. Is 0 2 is a solution of the given equation or not? We have to check. So there 0 2 is representing as x and y. So value of x is 2 and value of y is, value of x is 0 and value of y is 2. So putting the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in above equation, then by equation first, what is the equation first? X minus 2y. So value of x is 0 minus 2 and value of y is also 2 equal to 4. Now 0 minus 4 equal to 4. So minus 4 equal to 4, is this equation satisfying? Is minus 4 is equal to 4? No, that means these both are not equal. Therefore 0 2 is not a solution of equation first. Okay, now in question number second, there is question number second is easy, third one is also easy, fourth one is different. So I'm going to explain question number fourth of third. Okay, root 2 4 root 2. Okay, now we have to compare this with x comma y, that means order pair of x y. So value of x is root 2 and value of y is 4 root 2. So we have to put x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2 in equation first, then by equation number first. So find the value of equation, or we can take one more thing there, then by equation 1 or LHS. We are taking LHS. What is the LHS? X minus 2y. You can do by this method also, and you can take LHS and RHS separately also. So this is on up to you. Now I am going to explain LHS method. So there is LHS equal to x minus 2i. So put the value of x from there, x equal to root 2 minus 2 into 4 under root 2. Here there I take in bracket because there is two term. You can do multiply also. Now there is root 2 minus 2 4s are 8 root 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. Root 2 minus 8 root 2, that means there is nothing, that means there is 1 root 2. So we have to take root 2 as common and 1 minus 8 as outside. Now root 2 1 minus 8, that means minus 7, because greater number is 8 and which have minus sign. So minus 7 root 2 is the value of LHS. Now RHS is only 4 in this equation. Now by equation first we have to take RHS. So value of RHS is 4. So LHS or RHS is not equal. Now here LHS is not equal to RHS, and if these two are not equal, then what we can say, that root 2 comma root 4 root 2 is not a solution of equation first. Okay, similarly you can do question number second, third and fifth. Okay, by putting the value of x and y in this equation, and if LHS and RHS both are equal, then these order pairs are of solution of that equation, and if the LHS and RHS is not equal, then it is not a solution of equation number first. Okay, so that much for today. From question number 4 we will do tomorrow.